Week 7 and 8.
Do you want some water?
Yes, please. No, thanks.
Do you want some water?
Yes, please. No, thanks.
Time for math with Teacher N. Let's have our vocabulary words. Vocabulary words. First word is add. A D D add. Add. Subtract. S U B T R A C T. Subtract. Count. C O U N T. Count. Hi kids! Today we are going to review what is addition and subtraction. Let's start with addition. Two balls are drawn here. I draw one more ball. How many balls are drawn in all now? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 balls now. That is, by adding 1 ball to 2 balls, we got 3 balls. Here, this sign means add. This sign means equals to. So, 2 plus 1 is equals to 3. There are 3 apples in the basket. I put 1 more apple in the basket. How many apples are there in all now? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 apples in the basket now. That is, by adding 1 apple to 3 apples, we get 4 apples. Here, this means add. This sign means equals to. So 3 plus 1 is equals to 4. There are 6 pencils in the stand. I put 1 more pencil in the stand. How many pencils are there in the stand now? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, there are 7 pencils in the stand now. That is, by adding 1 pencil to 6 pencils, we get 7 pencils. Very good. Now, we will learn what is subtraction. Let's start with an example. 2 balls are drawn here. If I erase 1 ball, how many balls will be left? Let's count. 1. So, only 1 ball is left. That is, by subtracting 1 ball from 2 balls, we get 1 ball. This sign means subtract. And this sign means equals to. We say 2 minus 1 equals 1. Let's take another example. There are 3 apples in the basket. If I take out 1 apple from the basket, how many apples are left? Let's count. 1, 2. So, 2 apples are left in the basket. That is, by subtracting 1 apple from 3 apples, we get 2 apples. Here, this sign means subtract or minus. This sign means equals to. In mathematical sentence, say 3 minus 1 equals 2. Now, let's take another example. There are 6 pencils in the stand. If I take out 1 pencil in the stand, how many pencils are there in the stand now? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 pencils in the stand now. That is, by subtracting 1 pencil from 6 pencils, we get 5 pencils. Here, this sign means subtract, and this sign means equals to. So it says 6 minus 1 equals 5. So what we have learned? We learned that we include more things in a set of things. We say we are adding things. And this sign means add or plus. And this sign means equals to. Like 3 plus 1 equals 4. And we count forward to add. And we also learned that when we remove things from a set of things, we say we are subtracting things. This sign means subtract or minus. And this sign means equals to. Like 3 minus 1 equals 2. And we count backward to subtract 1. Now let's proceed to our activity. Get paper and pencil. Write down all your answer. Okay kids, let's go to our activity. All you have to do is copy the numbers, then add or subtract. Number 1. 11 plus 0 is equals to. 11 plus 0 is equals to. Number 2. 10 minus 7 is equals to. 10 minus 7 is equals to. Let's go to number 3. 10 plus 0 is equals to. 10 plus 0 is equals to. Number 4. 16 plus 2 is equals to. 16 plus 2 is equals to? Write your answer. Number 5. Number 5. 7 plus 9 is equals to? 7 plus 9 is equals to? Number 6. Number 6. 12 plus 4 is equals to? 12 plus 4 is equals to? Number 7. Number 7. 11 minus 5 is equals to? 11 minus 5 is equals to? Let's proceed to number 8. Number 8. 15 minus 1. 15 minus 1 is equals to? 15 minus 1 is equals to? Let's proceed to number 9. Number 9. 9 minus 4 is equals to? 9 minus 4 is equals to? Now, number 10. Number 10. 7 minus 4 is equals to? 7 minus 4 is equals to? Merry Christmas!